Money didn't start with coins, and the real story is older, stranger, and much cooler than you've heard. Honestly, the difference between being rich and being truly rich might just be understanding this. Check this out before you touch another dollar. By the end of this video, you'll be mad at the people who kept it a secret from you. And if you stick around, I'll share my free gamified website where you can finally learn how money works. But first, let me ask you something that's gonna break your brain. Your textbook says people traded chickens for bread, right? Then someone invented coins to make it easier? Cool fairy tale. Wrong. Dead wrong. Anthropologists have found virtually zero evidence of large-scale barter economies. David Graeber spent years researching this, and here's what he discovered. Pure barter societies didn't exist. So what happened? 5,000 years ago that your teachers are hiding? The real story starts about 5,000 years ago in ancient Mesopotamia. Money began as a system of debt and credit, not physical objects. Imagine you're a farmer in ancient Babylon. Before harvest, you need tools to plant your crops, but you don't have tools. The toolmaker knows you're ready, so he gives you the tools now and writes them down on a clay tablet, saying you'll give him the grain later. But here's the crazy part. These weren't just IOUs. People started trading them. That's how the first money was born, long before there was any currency. But debt wasn't the only early form of money. Different cultures developed their systems. Cowrie shells were used as currency in parts of Africa, Asia, and Europe. Why shells? Shells are durable, portable, hard to counterfeit, and beautiful. Some African cultures were still using them in the 20th century. The Aztecs used cocoa beans. Yes, chocolate was money. A tomato cost 1 bean, and a turkey cost 100 beans. I'm talking about delicious economics. In ancient Rome, soldiers were sometimes paid in salt. That's where we get the word salary. The word capital comes from capita, which means head of cattle. Your net worth was measured in cows. Imagine buying a car with Hershey's Kisses. So when did money emerge? The first real coins appeared in the kingdom of Lydia, in modern-day Turkey, around 650 BC. But here's the thing, they weren't invented to replace barter. They were created to standardize an existing system of loans and borrowing that had been going on for thousands of years. So why does it change everything? Because once you understand that money is just following social commitments, you will have much more power than you ever thought possible. Your reputation is money. Your network is money. Start thinking like this now. Every commitment you make builds your financial credibility. Every relationship you nurture is a form of wealth creation. While your friends may find money mysterious, you will realize that it is just an organized belief. Money isn't a thing. It's a technology for tracking social obligations. Drop a comment. What's the weirdest thing you've ever used as money? Pokemon cards, Fortnite skins. I want to hear it. And I built a free website with teen-friendly money tools, calculators, link in the description. Hit subscribe for a better future.